This is Motorola Moto G42, and in today's video we are going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this smartphone. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display in order for this notification and control center to be launched. Next, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut and long press on it. Now once at the internet page, you would like to, first of all, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it, and at the network details page, you'll see the share icon, which you also want to tap on. And from here, you can either manually enter the network password that is shown right here, right below the QR code, or, well, scan the mentioned QR code with any other device, or scan it with the device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with at the first place, and get it automatically connected. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.